Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise Chapter 1 A Letter to God, written by G.L. Finch. In this lecture, I will tell you the brief summary of this lesson, and after that, we will do practice of multiple choice question. I hope you are revising the syllabus very well. Now, let's see the summary of this lesson. Lenko was a poor farmer. He was very hardworking. Once there was a hailstorm. It destroyed his crop completely. क्या चीज़ उसकी क्रॉप को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती है? How was his crop destroyed? By hailstorm. Lenko had great faith in God. He wrote a letter to God. अब वो लेटर में क्या लिखता है? What did he write in the letter? He asked God to send him money. The postmaster saw this letter. He decided to help Lenko. Lenko की हेल्प किसने की? Who helped Lenko? Postmaster. He collected some money. He put it inside an envelope. Lenko came to the post office to check his mail. The post office people gave him the envelope. Lenko opened the envelope. He took out the money and counted it. How much money did he find in the envelope? He found that it was less than he had asked for. It means he asked for 100 pesos, but he received 70 pesos. So he decided to write another letter. He wrote another letter to God. He asked God to send him the rest of money. But he wanted him not to send the money through the mail. कि लेंको नहीं चाहता था कि गॉड मनी को मेल के थ्रू सेंड करे. He said that the post office people were a bunch of crooks. This is all in the story. Now we discuss multiple choice question. I want to tell you one more thing here. When you will solve multiple choice question, you have to read all the options carefully. After that, you have to tick the correct option. Let's see the question number 1. Why did Lenko step out into the rain at the beginning of the story? कि स्टोरी के बिगनिंग में जब रेन स्टार्ट हो जाती है तो लेंको बाहर किस लिए जाता है? टू कलेक्ट हिज क्रॉप, टू बाथ इन द रेन, टू कंपेयर द रेन्स इनटू द न्यू कॉइन्स, टू हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी. विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? डी, टू हैव द प्लेजर ऑफ द रेन ऑन हिज बॉडी, कि अपनी बॉडी पर रेन को फील करने के लिए बाहर जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन, हु स्पीक्स द वर्ड्स डोंट बी अपसेट इवन दो? पोस्टमास्टर, पोस्टमैन, लेंकोज वाइफ, लेंको. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज लेंको. किसने कहा था ये? डोंट बी अपसेट इवन दो, लेंको ने. द फील्ड वॉज वाइट विथ. फोर ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. कॉटन, स्नो, सॉल्ट, हेलस्टोन्स. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज हेलस्टोन्स. कि फील्ड किससे वाइट हो जाता है? हेलस्टोन से. डोंट बी कन्फ्यूज्ड इन दिस क्वेश्चन कि द फील्ड वॉज कवर्ड विद हेलस्टोन, कि वह हेलस्टोन से कवर हो जाता है. एंड लुक्ड लाइक सॉल्ट, और एक सॉल्ट की तरह दिखाई देता है जैसे कि उसे सॉल्ट से कवर कर दिया गया है. नेक्स्ट वन, एन एमिएबल फेलो इज समवन हु इज क्वाइट. फोर ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. गुड नेचर, डिसऑनेस्ट, कनिंग, इरिटेबल. Correct option is good nature. An amiable fellow is someone who is quite good natured. Next one, Lenko needed money too. Lenko को money की क्यों need थी? Pay his son's school fee, repair his house, buy food for the family, sow seeds in the field. Correct option is sow seeds in the field. उसे अपने field में seeds को sow करना था, इसलिए उसे money की need थी. Next one, What were new coins? न्यू coins किसको कहा गया है? 10 cent pieces, 5 cent pieces, big drops and small drops, none of these. Correct option is big drops and small drops. It means न्यू coins किसे कहा गया है? रेन ड्रॉप्स. और रेन ड्रॉप्स में बिग ड्रॉप्स आर 10 cent pieces, small drops are 5 cent pieces. Next one, the word daybreak means night, evening, morning, afternoon. Meaning of this word? Morning. What do you understand by locust? Cornfield, Insects fly in group and destroy crops. Hailstorm with frozen pearls. All of the above. Correct option is B. Insects fly in group and destroy crops. Next one. Lenko decided to go to the town too. Lenko town में जाने का क्यों डिसाइड करता है? Receive money, write his letter to God, post the letter, meet the post office employees. Correct option is post the letter. Lenko decided to go to the town to post the letter. Last one is Dash could not have made a mistake. कौन मिस्टेक नहीं कर सकता? Lenko, God, postmaster, employees. Correct option is God. God could not have made a mistake क्योंकि Lenko का God में firm faith है. I hope you understand very well. Keep learning, my students. Thank you.